Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And together we are California Travel Videos.
And today we are at the Ann Morrison Park in Boise, Idaho. And we are about ready to hit the Greenbelt Trail. So come on along, let's see what we find.
See you there. Okay, as we start off, we're going to be heading over the Boise River from Ann Morrison Park. And part of the path is closed to the left, so let's go to the right and see what we've got downtown. Downtown actually is to the left, and let's see what we've got going ahead. A little view of downtown right here. Wonderful area here that they have a dedication. Idaho Anne Frank Human Rights Memorial.
The Idaho Anne Frank Human Rights Memorial was built by the Idaho Human Rights Education Center. The privately funded memorial opened in 2002 as a gift to the city of Boise. Through education, the Wasmuth Center for Human Rights hopes to promote respect in human dignity and diversity to foster individual responsibility to work for justice and peace. You can read the beautiful sentiments from the donors inscribed on the benches, seats, and pavers. Here, from the amphitheater, there is a life-size bronze statue of Anne Frank. The sculptor, Greg Stone, cast Anne as if she were pulling back an imaginary curtain and gazing out of a window from the family's attic hiding place. Nearby is a beautiful waterfall, a 180-foot quote wall, where you will see words from presidents and slaves, children and philosophers, poets and pulpers, the famous and the unknown, all inscribed side by side. On the writing table, you will see a bronze representation of Anne's diary. The table itself is dedicated to Idaho's very own senator of 24 years, Frank Church, and his wife, Bethine. What an outstanding, beautiful park.
And this town is chock full of parks. What is going on over there? Is that a giraffe? I do believe it is. And look at the ladies over there. They've got their, looks like romaine lettuce, that they're taunting them to have some. And the giraffe looks a little curious, a little pensive. It's like, is this a trick? Oh, and here's another lake. Trevor's Trick Foundation to stop cancer. And this is what you would definitely call a bucolic scene. You can see that they rent paddle boats out here. The ducks and the swans, the geese are all having a good time out here. And you look over to the right and skyscraper going up. Civilization, but amazing that they can have so many wonderful parks that are right in the downtown area. And with the Boise River, there's plenty of water here apparently. A lot of vegetation.
You can't be lush like the forest. You can't be calm like the breeze when they come. They come to take everyone. You can't run free
to the Barber Park. Looks like a lot of buses up here. Looks like Boise River Raft and Tube. Woohoo! Look at all the rafts they've got over there. You see them? And here is a fee area. I don't know if we're supposed to pay a fee on bikes. I'm assuming not. Yeah, we'll go back and take a look at the rafts. The Barber Park floater information map, all the facilities, and if you're wondering, the river report 8/23/21 flow in CFS 586, water temperature 60.
Will we make it back up, ladies and gentlemen? Stay tuned.
And let's see if we can do it. Whoa! Oh, so close, and yet so far.
And he pulls out of it all right. No worse for wear and tear. So we have absolutely zero idea where we are, but it's absolutely beautiful, and we are so thankful that our garments have a return to home. So if we can't find the trail in the right way, we've got a backup plan. Hey Siri, where am I?
You're on Park Center Boulevard, Boise, Idaho.
All right, so there's a tributary, there's the main lake. Okay, I think we're heading in the right direction anyway.
Thank you very much.
Listening to the music, dangling to the beat, smiling distant strangers winking on my feet. Then I see the moonlight sparkling in your eyes. Oh, my body's frozen and my soul's on fire. Just follow me, baby, pulling at me with a foxy moon. Gently come over.
Boise Blues Society. Ooh, Wipeout. You can see here. Yeah. They're going to try surfing. Looking good.
Feel that too. In the vibes. Our keys are loaded and our hearts go wild. Down the car. Just feel my pulse. I love the trace of my moonchild. Of my moonchild. Of my moonchild. Of my moonchild.
You've gone back and forth like 3 times. It's good. Whoa, oh, nice. And he just threw himself in the water. He did not wipe out.
And we have the Albertson Family Park here. Right by the water, of course. Okay, I think we are back on path here. Yes, the Ann Morrison Memorial Park. And I see lots of Canadian geese. And look at over across the side. There is a dog park on the other side, and they are playing.
Dog park is gigantuous. It's all gated. I've never seen a dog park this big. On the other side, there's more water that they go in and out of. I mean, this is like heaven for a dog. They're having so much fun.
Yes. Best dog park in the world. And is Grace right behind us? Yes, she is. How was it, honey?
It was amazing. I have no idea if we did a bunch of Circle 8. I don't know where we were or what we did, but it was all incredible, and Michael's wonderful direction brought us back home. So I give it an A+.
Big A. Top 3?
Definitely top 3.
Okay, cool.